Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-Max, and if you need to find the heater blower motor relay, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, we'll explain how you can test the heater blower motor relay, and the top reasons why heater blower motor does not work. We'll have a special video on our channel if you need help with that. Now we'll be demonstrating on a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So you guys have three fuse boxes for your Ford C-Max. One is under the hood, one is in the passenger side, kind of like behind and underneath the glove box, one in the trunk. Luckily enough today we'll be working under the hood because this is one of the easiest one to reach. So we will open the hood on that Ford C-Max, and if you see right here in the corner you have the fuses, the relays right here. This is the cover that usually will cover it, okay, like that right here. All you will have to do, just go ahead, okay, pull on the back side on the top and gently pull it out. It's a little bit of limited space here, but if you look now here, good news guys, okay, if you hold it that way, that fuse layout and relay layout corresponds to what we have here, and you have the numbers listed. That's good news. Bad news, you actually don't know what those are for, so that's where we come in and try to help you and get you back on the road, guys. So we will appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. The relay that we need to check for the heater blower motor, it's right here, R13. That relay, guys, right there, that's the relay that you need to check. All you have to do, pull it out. We'll have a special video that will explain how to test relays. I will put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out if you need help with that. If you need to buy a new relay for a good price, okay, really good price, I will put the link as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.